If you're getting no audio in OBS Studio, the first thing to check is whether OBS is using the correct microphone and desktop audio devices. Open OBS Studio and go to Settings. Select Audio and look at the Global Audio Devices section. Make sure your desktop audio and mic or auxiliary audio devices are set to the correct speakers, headphones, and microphone. If you prefer, you can also add your devices manually as audio sources. In the Sources section, click the plus icon and select Audio Input Capture for your microphone or Audio Output Capture for your computer audio. After adding the source, speak into your microphone and watch the audio mixer. If the audio meter moves, OBS is receiving your microphone's signal. If the meter doesn't move, check whether your microphone is connected properly and make sure Windows has permission to access it. For desktop audio, play a sound on your computer and watch the desktop audio meter. If there's no movement, open your Windows sound settings and make sure the correct output device is selected. You should also check that the audio source isn't muted in the OBS audio mixer. Make sure the speaker icon is not muted and that the volume slider is at an appropriate level.